All right, so it's recording.
Hi, Shane.
How about you interview him?
What's going on? Nothing. How old are you? 9 years old. Where were you born? I was born in the USA. What part? United States of America. Which part? Brooklyn.
California?
Brooklyn, New York.
All right.
What's your favorite food? I gotta say cargo and white rice. Do you like technology? Yes. Are you good with technology? Yes. Don't believe him.
Which one of you is better at technology? Him?
Yeah.
What are you better at?
Sports. But look what I got
I'm more
today.
of a nerd.
Oh, dang.
I'm more of a
Blackberry.
nerd. Why?
So you're the sports guy and you're the technology guy.
You know.
That's a good trade.